Hello, in this video we'll see how to write alphabet C. Here when you try to read, this is C, Ca, Ce, C, Co, Ce, Cu, Ci, Ca, Ce, C, Co. Good, let's write it together. So I will write, you can write it in different ways. I write it like this, for example. Some people write it something like this, but this may confuse you with de, do, di, da, de, di, do, right? So it's better to practice writing like this, okay? So ce, or it's like le, but having this kind of thing here, okay? Anyway, there are different ways of writing it. All right, so this is 7 times. I want to make sure that this reads zu, zi, za, ze, zi, zo. Okay. So if you add this here, it reads zu. This one is zi, za, ze, zi, zo. So after we practice writing this, we'll be comfortable in writing zu very quickly like this. Ce, zu, zi, za, ze, zi, zo. Okay. Please practice this, and the way we pronounce it is ce. It is hard for many people, I understand that. Okay. Ce, zu, zi, za, ze, zi, zo. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.